Hello, good morning to you all. Today I'll show you WeChat emoji rain in the WeChat application. Just open the WeChat. So, first of all, this is how I can send the emoji rain. So, how to download this and from where to download this? Just go to your profile. So, under me, click on sticker gallery and here search for emoji rain. So this is the emoji rain, which is nothing but a GIF sticker. You need to download this. I already downloaded, so it is not coming. Here you will get download option, so click on it. So once it gets downloaded, open any of your WeChat friend, and if you click on emoji and click on here, this will be your general emojis, and you click on here, you can find the emoji rain. Now you can use this emoji rain and send it to your friend. These are the different type of emoji rains. So you just need to go to me and sticker gallery and search for emoji rain. So once you get downloaded, you can use this emoji rain. I hope you like this video tutorial. If you really like this, please share it to your friend and hit a like for this video, and thanks for watching. Have a nice day.